Hey everybody, this is Kirby White with Alt F11. Welcome back to another Excel Excedrin video where I try and solve your Excel headaches in about 2 minutes. This video is the culmination of a series from index and index match and drop-down lists. We're going to combine all of those things together today in this video. And so I'm not going to get into the details of how index and match functions work or how to create a drop-down list. I'm just going to show you what you could do with it. So first, we are going to, we want this to be a drop-down list. Let's say we type in rentals as a business line, and it's going to return the revenue, expenses, and profit from this table up here. But I don't want to type that in every time. I want it to just retrieve the information from here. What I'm going to do is select these cells that I care about, and I'm going to go to the Formulas tab and hit Define Name, and we're going to call this business lines list. And I want to make sure that this refers to is accurate, so I'm going to clear that out. And while I'm still selected in here, I'm going to highlight these cells again. And because it's in a table, it knows what to call this already, and that's an important part of this and making it dynamic. And I cover that in the drop-down video. So I'm going to click OK. And now in this cell, I'm going to change the data validation to allow a list. And I'm going to say the source, and you must start with an equal sign. And I'm going to say business lines list. I'm going to type that in. I'm going to hit OK. And you'll see that this becomes a drop-down. And so now I can just change the value from here and watch the revenue, expenses, and profit values change. It's searching for that business line in here and then returning the appropriate column using the index function. And match is what's looking up the used car's name to find out what row number to return from the index function. And let me show you why we call this flexible. Because let's say I start a new business line, online sales, and we might have, I don't know, 150,000 in sales and 140 in expenses, and so the profit equals 150,000 minus that 140,000, and that all gets calculated. Now, online sales is already added here, and so just like that, I can add that information or change the values that are in here, and I don't have to go change any of the formulas to still allow this lookup function to work just like that. I hope that helps. I use this all the time. I think it's a great thing to know. I'll see you next time.